Okay, this is the hydraulic fluid that I put in this compressor pump here. That's kind of tell where the oil level's at. Brand new unit, and here's a water cooling system. Water's running. That's the temperature. And these are air vent or open. Okay, here's the power. Now I'm going to turn it on, and we'll see what happens. It won't even turn on. What I have also done is check out this button here, and again you can hear the thing is trying to crank it, but it's not turning over. Let's try again. This VEVOR compressor is actually my second unit. I returned the first unit for the same reason.